Alright, in this video we're going to take a quick look, a review of double replacement. Double replacement just means that you should have two positive charged elements and two negative elements or polyatomic ions, whatever they might be, and each one is partnered up, and what you're going to do is you're going to just replace the partners of both of them. So in this case, if you think about what you have copper, and we know that copper is a +2 charge because of this 2 right here. That 2 came because copper is a +2 charge, and hydroxide is a -1. We can get that from our polyatomic ion sheet. Hydrogen is a +1 and phosphate is -3. So you have copper with hydroxide, hydrogen with phosphate, and what you're going to do is you cannot have two positives or two negatives together. So the +2 of copper is now going to bond with phosphate, and you're going to have hydrogen bonding with hydroxide. The key part when you do this, though, is to make sure that the +1 is always written first. So we're going to have copper with a +2 and phosphate with a -3, and we're going to bond those together. So that's going to look like this: copper 3, PO4 in parentheses with a 2. And sometimes it's really easy to put OH first because it's written first here, but the +1 always comes first. And you can write this as HOH, or you could write it as H2O. Either one, I won't. Either one's fine. Okay. Now for your next one, you have Na with a +1, phosphate again, so still that -3. Calcium's a +2, chlorine's a -1. You need to change partners, but positive has to go with negative. So we're going to have the Na +1 now pairing with the chlorine -1. And the calcium and the phosphate here in the middle are going to pair up. So Na +1, Cl's a -1. So that formula is going to be NaCl. And then we need to have the metal or the positive going first. So it's actually going to be calcium with a +2 and phosphate, PO4, with a -3. So we're going to put our and sign and do Ca3, PO4 is in parentheses with a 2. And that is hopefully makes that a little bit easier, practicing a few more of those. But in double replacement, you do not need to check any activity chart. It is, for right now, you're just going to repair a plus with a minus, but you can't keep it with the same partner that it already has. You have to change partners. So I hope that was helpful, but like always, if you have any questions, please get a hold of me. Thanks so much.